Welcome back, friends. It's Anders. Today we are making the See No Evil. This is a tiki-inspired mezcal drink. Smoky from the mezcal, sweet, sour, spicy. There's your evil. It's outstanding, in my humble opinion. No, you won't find this in any of your old cocktail books because it's an original of mine. But don't go anywhere. It's really a good, I'm proud of this one. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button for more sips, tips, and recipes. And let's go make the See No Evil to the bar. This drink, the See No Evil, was created in 2015 or 2016. I'm not really sure, but it was created by Anders Ericsson. I'm Anders Ericsson, and I didn't write down the exact date, so I don't know exactly when it was created, but it was sometime around then. And it was because a regular of mine ordered a drink that was mezcal based and was kind of tiki-esque. So I came up with this drink. When he asked me what the name of the drink was, I didn't have a name because I just threw it together. So the regular, being the wise person he was, he said, you should call this the See No Evil. But the reason is, the song that was playing at the time was See No Evil by the group Television. That's the story. But the cocktail is really good, in my opinion. Obviously, I am a little biased, but here's your chance to try it and judge it for yourself. And you can leave a comment down below and say, Anders, I love this drink, or Anders, this one didn't work for me. Let me know. I won't be hurt if you hate this drink. I will be hurt if you say really mean things about me personally, and I would rather you not do that. The booze. All right, let me take a sip of water. For this cocktail, you will need mezcal, bitters, freshly squeezed lime juice, orgeat, Tabasco, mint, and nutmeg. Now, as far as the mezcal, this is the base. I'm using the Maguey Vida, which is big, smoky. It's gonna hold up to the juice and the syrups and the bitters and all that's going on in this cocktail, but use your favorite. By the way, this bottle is available in my collection at Grated, which I don't talk about every week, but every week I do put a link down in the description. In fact, I do believe that a lot of the bottles in my collection have been reduced in price by 5 to 15%. At least those were the numbers they told me, and they told me to tell you this. So here I am telling you this. And they also have an app now. So there's a lot of fun things going on at Grated. Next, the bitters. For this, I use Angostura bitters, and it's pretty important. I like the heavy clove flavor of Angostura bitters, and we are gonna put a good amount in this drink. Really no substitute. Lime juice, fresh, orgeat. This is my homemade orgeat. Feel free to make it yourself. It's not too difficult, but if you absolutely cannot be troubled, then I would recommend, as always, the Library and Company orgeat. This is a toasted almond orgeat, and you definitely get the toasty notes. It's up to you. As for the Tabasco, this is the evil in the See No Evil. Feel free to use your favorite hot sauce, but I do like Tabasco in this one. It's got a good amount of vinegar. That extra zing in the cocktail is really nice. Mint and nutmeg, that's for garnish. Let's build. Okay. We're gonna shake this drink, and we're gonna use crushed ice. So get your ice crushed. Let's start with the mezcal. 1.5 ounces of mezcal. To that, we will add 3/4 ounce of orgeat, and then we will add the same 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. And now, the secret ingredient, the Tabasco. 3 good dashes of Tabasco. If you want it spicier, then add more. Let's go 3. Grab your crushed ice and put it in the shaking tin. I'm going about halfway up on the cheater tin with ice. Now, grab your glass because we're just gonna do a quick shake, any standard low ball, about 5 seconds. We don't wanna over dilute this. And then open pour right into the glass. I'm gonna add a little bit more crushed ice, but we wanna save room for the bitters. Right on top, I have been using dasher bottles lately, and for this, I'm going straight to the source because we are putting a lot. This would be a lot of dashes if you're using the small dasher bottle. Go straight to the bottle, the big bottle. I always eyeball this, but it's gonna be about 4 to 5 good dashes. So 1, 2, 3, that's probably good. 4 or 5. So now we can garnish with some mint, give it a smack, release those oils, big sprig. You don't want to disturb that Angostura bitters too much. Now we can do the nutmeg, freshly grated, and right across the top. Last but not least, the straw. Yeah, ever so gently, just like that. And that is a thing of beauty, if I do say so myself. The original See No Evil. As a bonus, I don't usually do this because I'm not a big fan of garnishes that don't really add anything to the drink, but I happen to have this teeny tiny bottle of Tabasco. Tabasco. We're doing this for the thumbnail. This is what grabbed your attention, I know. Drop it right on top. I know how you people think. You think with your eyes. And this bottle, which is sinking, does just that. Behold. All right, I'm going in for a sip. Ooh, that is good. That is spicy, smoky, sweet, sour, all the good things. But I am gonna get rid of this stupid little bottle because I'm afraid it's gonna sink to the bottom, it's gonna come up the straw, and I'm going to swallow it. That's a choking hazard. I'd swallow that, I'd die. I know you'd like that, but not today. Not on my watch. Not on my watch. Now, you can do a number of things here. You can take a sip through the bitters, drink it that way, or you could give it a stir with your straw and mix it up. Personally, I like to save those big sips of bitters till the end. You can do whatever you want. So anyway, I'll shut up. I'll let you get back to your day or night. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Make this drink. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of it and how much you love it. And I will see you next time. Cheers. Oh, I still got a lot of crushed ice. Got a sack of water.